We are just over a week away from Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2019 event where the company is going to announce the new Galaxy S10 family for smartphones, and the last minute leaks about the phone have revealed some new bits of information and seemingly confirmed a few old ones. Starting with the alleged banner for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, which was shared on known tipster Even Less on Twitter, the banner seems to confirm the design of the Galaxy S10 Plus that we have seen in multiple leaked renders until now. Also, one can spot the 3.5mm audio jack in the photo, meaning Samsung isn't ready just yet to ditch the audio jack like any other major Android manufacturers. You can also see the punch hole design with space for a front dual camera setup. Also, Even Glass posted some of the latest leaked images that show what's assumed to be the Galaxy S10 Plus in a variety of color variants, with the expected black option joined by two new shades. The first is green, while the second appears to be a fetching pearlescent white. Each phone in the Galaxy S10 lineup is expected to boast either Snapdragon 855 or Exynos 9820 processor, depending on region, with the most high-end model offering up to 1 TB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. Of course, Samsung has yet to confirm any details surrounding its upcoming Galaxy S10 lineup.